Have you ever opened your drawer and felt frustrated by the mess of underwear taking up too much space? What if you could organize everything neatly in just a few minutes? These 9 simple folding methods will help you save space, keep everything tidy, and make your drawers look amazing once and for all. And the best part, these techniques work for both adult and kid sizes. Let's walk through how to do it quickly, easily, and beautifully. Method 1. Take a pair of underwear and fold it in half. Then fold one side over and the other side over, just like shown in the video. Fold the top section down and tuck the bottom part into the pocket that forms. Now you have a compact, secure fold that stays in place. Method 2. Marie Kondo roll. Method: take the underwear and fold it in half, then fold it in half again. Next, roll it up tightly. You'll get a neat little roll. Use the extra top fabric to wrap over and tuck it in like a pocket so it holds its shape. Method 3. Start folding from the bottom and roll upward about 3 times. The number of rolls can vary depending on the size. Then fold the right side inward, followed by the left. You'll end up with a neat rectangle that's perfect for storing in a drawer or organizer. Method 4. Turn the underwear inside out and visually divide it into 3 sections. Fold the first side in, then the second. Next, fold the top part down and tuck the bottom into the pocket. This method works great for men's, women's, and kids' underwear, just not boxers. Method 5. Visually divide the underwear into 3 parts. Fold one side inward once, then fold it again in the opposite direction, just like shown in the video. Repeat the same steps with the other side. Fold the top down and tuck the bottom into the pocket that forms. Method 6. Take the underwear and roll it from the top down, but stop about 1 inch before the end. Fold the right side in, then fold the left side back. Fold the remaining bottom part backward as well. Now insert your fingers into the pocket and roll it inward a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, double dates, and you'll get a compact roll. Method 7. Men's boxer method. Pocket style. Take a pair of boxers, either adult or kids. Visually divide them into 3 parts. Fold one side in, then the other. Fold the top waistband down and tuck the bottom into the pocket that forms. This creates a secure folded pocket shape that's easy to stack. Method 8. Take the boxers and fold them in half, then fold them in half again. It doesn't matter which direction you fold. Fold the top part down and tuck the bottom into the pocket. Simple, fast, and very compact. Method 9. Fold the underwear in half, then fold that half 2 more times. The number of folds depends on the size. Fold the top section down and tuck the remaining loose fabric into the pocket. All 9 methods help keep your drawers organized and save space, and they work perfectly for both adult and children's sizes. Now, your drawers are neat, organized, and your underwear is folded compactly and beautifully. Which method did you like the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. On Mrs.Noskoviak's Home Tips, I share simple life hacks for busy families. How to organize your home, save space, keep things tidy, and cook quick, budget-friendly meals. See you in the next video.